Think sweet potato gnocchi with peanut sauce. Tastes like that. These dumplings are made from sweet potatoes that we gotta steam first. Once that sweet potato's cooked, put that pan back on with some water. Steamings in the jackets makes them very easy to peel. Push that sweet potato through a strainer for the best texture, so it's nice and smooth like that. Sweet potatoes can be stringy. You don't want that. These dumplings would be 2 ingredients if it weren't for the salt. Sweet potato and potato starch. You could use flour, but flour has gluten, and that gets gummy. Cornstarch won't work the same. Mix it real good. It's always 65% potato starch to sweet potato. But I'm going to keep this easy by putting this directly into a piping bag. And a scissors, we're going to pipe these dumplings right into the boiling water. I don't got time to roll these all day. Give them a gentle stir so they don't stick to the bottom. After 5 minutes, those dumplings are cooked, but we're going to shock them in an ice bath to firm up. And immediately we're putting on a pan with garlic and chili. And once that garlic's sizzling, I'm adding those dumplings right in. Oh yeah. Season with a little soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Chinese sesame paste. It's not like that Middle Eastern stuff, it's darker. But you can use the other stuff if that's all you have in a pinch. A little hot water. Oh yeah. Add green onions, and you're good. And that's it.
That's a fun little treat right there.
And satisfying.
Tastes like spicy peanut sauce. It's got that great mochi texture to it.
Mm-hmm.
Spicy peanut sweet potato mochi.
I can't believe we just made that up. That's really good.
It's a little flavor cornucopia.